All right, Jeremiah, how you doing? Nathan Bruce here. I'm glad we got to talk a little bit yesterday. This is my video. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how to increase your traffic online. Without further ado, I'm going to start with your website. Okay, so I did check it out. It's okay. Like you said, it's okay. All right. I personally think it needs a lot more words. Okay, explaining exactly what the company does. All right, I know you have the about solar battery, EV charging, all these services that you do, but it's not explained. All right, so what we have to do is talk about content. All right, and content is anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. All right, so if I click save image as, what I can do is see if you guys are saving this. Okay, so you have to save it as your business name. So Plug PV Solar, you could use that. Okay, at least have your business name in there because Google's going to start ranking you guys and bringing you more to the front page of Google. All right, that's just something to take in. So content is super powerful. All right, Google, once the business is made, Google searches the website up and down. All right, they're checking out everything. All right, that's something to just keep in mind. When I typed in Plug PV, this is what came up. Your Google My Business shows up here. All right, the second thing I want to talk with you about today is a citation. Now, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. All right, so I'm glad you guys got that. You guys got 170 Google reviews. That's okay. See if we can keep getting more. All right, more reviews, the better. Make sure you have a good amount of photos. All right, I'm not going to click on that right now. The third thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. All right, so I'm going to scroll down to the end of the page in a moment. Ads. We see ads pop up. Okay, certain niches, certain markets will have Google guarantees. So for plumbers example, I've seen little boxes of Google guarantees pop up here first. So that's something to maybe keep your eye on. All right, because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices, okay, their phones or whatever. And I like to steer away from ads sometimes because of that. But that's not to say ads don't work. This is the Google Map Pack, all right? I'm glad to see you guys in this, all right? Most of the calls that businesses get, it's because they're in the Google Map Pack, all right? So take that under consideration. I'm glad you guys got that there. And then we scroll down into the, not the organic listings just yet, but the directories. All right, directories are websites that let businesses put their information in there. So Facebook does this, Angie's List, what else? Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, Facebook. I think I said Facebook twice. But that's what a directory is. And then the third thing I'm talking with you about today is backlinks. Now, where the organic listings start is where the first business actually pops up. All right, backlinks are simply websites pointing to your website through a little ad. All right, that brings in more potential traffic. Okay, so that's not all backlinks are created equal, but they are super important. Okay, so I scrolled all the way down. I wanted to find your business on this page, but I just didn't. All right, so that means we have to get your business to the first page of Google to get you more customers. All right. This is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This is something that you can definitely do on your own. Okay, it does cost money, and I know a lot of business owners don't have the extra time to do this on their own, so they'll call somebody else to do it for them. You know, Nate, can you rank me for these keywords? Nate, can you find me healthy backlinks? Nate, can you fix our website? I could do that. All right, leads. Can you find me leads, Nate? We could do that. These numbers, I'm going to explain them to you real quick. The URL rating out of a 100-point scale, you guys have a 23 out of 100. Okay, so that's how much trust that Google has in your business. The domain rating number is how much power that Google gives to your website. Okay, the domain rating out of, again, a 100-point scale. We got some work to do, you know. Get it past the 21. Keep working. All right, referring domains, you guys have 55. Those referring domains are giving you 239 backlinks. Historically, you've had 1.63 thousand, but these are the ones that are live. Again, not all backlinks are created equal. Not necessarily the amount, but the quality of those backlinks keep this number low. So if they're really bad, spammy backlinks, that's what's going to keep this number low. So we have to find backlinks that are worth it. Okay, a good example of that is websites like in the directories. It'll say 10 best solar energy companies. We want to get our ads into those websites, not a website hosting an ice cream parlor or something like that. Okay, so that doesn't make sense. Organic keywords, this is the last thing I'm going to talk about. You guys are bringing in around 286 people a month to your website. These are monthly, all right, monthly numbers. You guys are bringing in $33 a month with your website. Okay, so if that doesn't show a red flag, I don't know what will. That's something to take note of. We got to get these numbers up. Okay, keywords. Keywords are anything anyone types into Google. Okay, so like I did, plug PV. I typed that in. Okay, this volume number, this is monthly. How many people search for each keyword? All right, so take down these numbers as consideration. Position, we want to make sure you're ranking first in every position. Okay, well, ranking first in every keyword, I should say. All right, plug PV, that's good. Solar panel installation, Albany, New York. We want to see like solar panels, Albany, New York. Like that's a keyword. So there it is, solar panels, Albany, New York. Even though 10 people might look it up, you guys are ranking first for that, so you're getting all 10 customers. Okay, so plug in solar panels, 450 people look for that monthly. You guys are ranking 18th. If you guys were ranking first for this keyword, all 450 customers are going to see your business pop up first for that keyword, okay? And what could an extra 450 customers do for your business? That could change lives, okay? I'm not sure what each job costs to install solar panels. I'm sure it ranges. But an extra 450 customers a month, an extra 460, 400, 500, 600, an extra 600 customers a month if we're ranking in the first position for all these keywords. So keywords are super powerful, but please don't forget about the backlinks. Don't forget about the content and the citation. All this together is going to bring us more customers, bring more traffic to the website. All right, this is High Peak Solar. Okay, their website is laggy because they got a lot going on here. All right, they got more words, which is good, but here are their numbers. All right, they have a 24 and an 18. All right, slightly higher than your guys, I believe. This is yours still. Let's check it real quick. You guys have, if it'll load, you could have probably remembered it, but that's fine. Or scrolled back and looked at it. 23 and 21, there it is. 24 and 18, around the same. They have 367 backlinks. Again, this number is probably keeping this number low. Keywords we could check out. Let's do the last one here. Solar Liberty. All right, their website's okay. Laggy again because it's got too much going on. You just need a simple website with words explaining what's going on, pictures here and there. But their numbers though, all right, so they have a 39 and a 31. They have a lot of backlinks. Okay, so it's probably mixed, good and bad. So what we'll do with those is we'll take what's working for them and make sure it works for you. Okay, they're bringing around $1,000 a month. All right, they're bringing in less than 500 people a month to their website. Let's check out their keywords. Let's see what they're ranking for. Obviously, it's good to have your name. Solar Liberty, commercial solar installation company, 150 solar installation companies, 1,200 local solar companies, 3,000. So we could start using national keywords. It's always good to start with state and like county, city. So definitely start ranking for Albany. Start ranking for the cities outside of Albany. You could even do Schenectady. You could do, Colony. You could do Averill Park. The list goes on and on. But people are looking for solar panels still. Okay, so the numbers are here. It's just the fact that we got to rank first. All right, you're gonna get most of these calls. Okay, I know I'm approaching the 10-minute mark. I think I may have passed it, but Jeremiah, I appreciate talking to you. All right, if you want to work together, give me a call. All right, we'll be in touch. I'm gonna keep my information in the email I send you. All right, sky's the limit. As a business owner myself, I treat my business like my baby. Okay, so I'm sure you might do the same. Look at it as the same. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to keep that baby going. So let me know. Thank you for watching this video today, and I appreciate it. Have a good one.